Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Monkey. Alright, let's go.
Whew. Yep, shopping fixed. Can we finally go in no gravity, guys? Can we? Come on. We can. There's just boxes. Just boxes. Lots of boxes. A box. Box! Oh wow, there actually is no gravity. What's over here? What's this? Rocks. Yeah, I don't. No. Nah, there's an eye in that wall. I don't like it. Monkey's Place Hut. Anything updated? Ooh, they have a table now. Guys, they have a table. And just look at the animation with the chili beans. He look happy. He look happy. Come here. Look at this. Stay back. I didn't do anything. Oh, he's courting me. Ah! Oh, I just fall through the map. Oh, hello. Okay. Boing. Uh-oh. The gun to hold it. Sniper. I can't. Fine. Banana gun. Yeah. Oh, this can get very laggy very fast. Let's go get the oh, whoa, look at this man. He look dripped out. He look dripped like that banana gun. Banana. Guys, let's go shoot the monster. Activate buttons. Oh, it does. That's cool. There he is. Yeah, you think you come here. I'm dripped. I guess he's scared. Let's get him from. Let's sneak attack him. That's right. Boom. 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 I don't think he likes that. Wait a minute. If this collides with stuff, does that mean? Guys, a fly. I think I found a powerful glitch, guys. Oh, that's so cool. Boing. Yeah. Wait a minute, can I get out the map? A montage. Oh, okay, he has a boundary. Oh, jeez. Holy crap, I kept teleporting. Ah! Have a good day, and bye.